Question number 126. The investigation in relation to an offence under section 376DA of IPC shall be completed from the date on which the information was recorded by the officer in charge of the police station. Options: within 6 months, within 3 months, within 2 months, without unnecessary delay. Correct answer is within 2 months. Question number 127. In which of the following section of CRPC the victim compensation scheme was incorporated? Correct answer is section 357A. Section 357A, victim compensation scheme was incorporated. Question number 128. Which section is designed to cure to some extent the defects and irregularities in recording of confession or other statement of accused under section 164 of CRPC? Options are section 281, section 461, section 463, none of them. Correct answer is section 463. Question 129. Police officers' power to require attendance of persons acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case is mentioned in section 160 of CRPC, section 160 clause 2 of CRPC, section 160 clause 1 of CRPC, section 161 clause 2 of CRPC. Correct answer is section 160 clause 1 of CRPC. Question number 130. The maximum sentence of imprisonment which may be given in summary trial is, correct answer is 3 months. Maximum 3 months imprisonment can be given in summary trial. Question number 131. The court of session is established by, correct answer is state government. State government established the court of sessions. Question number 132. In respect of the cases instituted otherwise than on police report, under which of the following section charges are framed? Options are section 240 CRPC, section 244 CRPC, section 246 CRPC, section 248 CRPC. Here correct answer is section 246 of CRPC. Question number 133. If a woman sentenced to death is found to be pregnant, her sentence shall be commuted to imprisonment for life by the Governor, State Government, High Court, President. Correct answer is High Court. Question number 134. One of the most important principles of evidence law is that evidence to be weighted and not numbered is inherent in which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act 1872? Options are section 132, section 134, section 123, section 135. Correct answer is section 134. Question number 135. Section 2 of the Indian Evidence Act was repealed by, correct answer is Repealing Act of 1938. It repealed the section 2 of Indian Evidence Act. Question number 136. Match the list 1 and list 2 and collect the correct answer. List 1, relevancy of facts. List 2, sections of Evidence Act. A, facts which shows the preparation of fact and issue. Here the correct match will be section 8. Facts which are the result of fact and issue. Correct answer is section 7. C, facts which are part of the same transaction. Correct answer is section 6, res gestae. D, facts which are necessary to explain or introduce the relevant fact. Correct answer is section 9. Therefore, the correct match will be option A. Question number 137. Possession is the prima facie evidence of ownership. This principle is described in section 110 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 138. Which of the following sections of Indian Evidence Act provides for provisions for refreshing memory? Correct answer is section 159. Section 159 of Indian Evidence Act provides for the provisions for refreshing memory. Question number 139. A spouse will be permitted to disclose the communication made during the marriage with the consent of the person who made it in suits between the spouses, in prosecution between the spouses, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is with the consent of the person who made it. Question number 140. Read the statements carefully. The presumption of legitimacy of child is governed by section 112 of Indian Evidence Act. This is correct. Narendranath Pahari versus Ram Govind Pahadi is a leading case on the legitimacy of a child born during the continuance of valid marriage. This statement is also correct. Therefore, in the given options, the option C, both A and B are true, will be the correct answer. Question number 141. The burden of proof in a suit or proceeding lies on that person who would fail if no evidence at all were given on either side. This provision is contained in section of Indian Evidence Act. Correct answer is section 102. Question number 142. Which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act 1872 has been amended by the Criminal Amendment Act 2018? Correct answer is section 146. Question number 143. Not proved under Indian Evidence Act means neither proved nor disproved. Question number 144. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, facts forming part of the same transactions are known as plea of alibi, admission, res gestae, dying declaration. Correct answer is res gestae. Question number 145. The case of Palminder Kaur versus State of Punjab relates to which of the following? Dying declaration, convention, relevancy of judgment, entries on the book of accounts. Correct answer is confession. Confession is related to Palminder Kaur versus State of Punjab. Question number 146. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Presumption as to documents 30 years old. Section 90 of Indian Evidence Act. This is correctly matched. Burden of proving that person is alive who has not been heard for 7 years. Section 108 of Indian Evidence Act. This is also correct match. Option C, that is Dumb witness, section 119 of Indian Evidence Act. This is also the correct match. Presumption as to dowry death, section 113A of Indian Evidence Act. This is not the correct answer. This is section 113B of it is related to presumption of dowry death. Therefore, this is not the correct answer. Hence, option D will be the right answer. Question number 147. Which of the following section of Indian Penal Code 1860 is related to Hicklin test? Correct answer is section 292. Section 292 of IPC is related to Hicklin test. It is related to sale etc. of obscene book etc. Question number 148. Disclosure of identity of victim of rape is punishable under. This is very important question, and the answer is section 228A of IPC. This talks about the punishment of disclosure of identity of the victim of rape. Question number 149. A distinction has been well explained by the Supreme Court in Nanak Chand versus State of Punjab, AIR 1955 SC 274, relating to the one of the following sections of the IPC. Options are between section 378 and section 383, between section 361 and section 362, option C between section 350 and section 380, D between section 34 and section 149. Correct answer is option D, that is between section 34 and section 149. Question number 150 and the last question of APO 2020 question paper. Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018 is being enforced 21st April 2018, 1st September 2018, 21st July 2018, 17 November 2018. Correct answer is 21st April 2018.